What's going on, world? It's your boy Carbonate, and welcome back to Epic Whipz, mate. And today's an epic day. What we're gonna be doing, we're actually going to head over to Kilo Racing. They're gonna take a look at the 8, mate, because I got a cracked block, you know? I got oil leaking out, so Kilo said he's gonna take a look at it. Hopefully, they can actually resolve the issue without rebuilding the engine. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. Let's get to it, mates. So I'm back home from Kilo, and pretty much what he told me was use this sealant to pretty much seal the hole. This is it right here. Got it. Got some parts cleaned, but he said to clean up that area very well and then put that on there, let it dry for a couple hours, and it should be good to go. So I'm gonna try it. So fuck it. And I told him about the 2 bolts. He said some RX8s they run on 2 bolts. It's fine. So I was like, all right, fuck it. So we got the wheel off. See, the space is still there, intact. So the next objective is to take off that bracket. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is that jack stand is holding up the engine, and I have no pressure on it really, just holding it. So I'm gonna take off this bracket, undo this bolt right here for this motor mount. And I don't know if I have to take off that motor mount, but maybe I do to take off the bracket, who knows. But maybe take off both, whatever the case may be. Get back there, clean it up, put that sealant on there, let it dry, put the bracket back on, and should be good to go, hopefully, fingers crossed. Let's go. Alright, so we got the bracket off, but we could not get that off. Couldn't get it off because obviously, I don't know if you can see it, but it's broken right there. That little thing, if you see on the side, that one has it, but that one doesn't. It's broken. So, yeah, it wasn't catching. We had to take off the whole thing. I'll figure that out later to take them off, or maybe I don't really have to. Yeah, see that? So that right there, that's the hole. So we gotta seal that. So we gotta clean this area off right here and put some sealant. That's pretty much what we gotta do. Hopefully it'll work out. So right there. We got it on there. I put a thick amount on there, I would say. Covered up the hole. So I'm gonna let it dry for about, I don't know, like 6 hours maybe. Who knows? I think I might let it dry just overnight, just let it be. Let it sit overnight, and then I'll mount everything out tomorrow to go for a drive and see what happens. Let you know. So after driving it, no leaks. Job done. Thank you, Kilo. You saved me a ton of money because I thought I had to rebuild the whole motor and everything. Oh my goodness. So thank you, Kilo. To next one.